What's up, makers? We've all got that one annoying problem a tool finally solves. Today, 10 Amazon finds do exactly that. A fish tape that glows, a paint sprayer that makes you look pro, and a knife sharpener that's almost dangerous. All brand new or hidden gems. Links in the description. Let's jump in. Number 1. Klein fish tape. Pulling wire through conduit doesn't have to feel like a wrestling match. This 50-foot tape hits the sweet spot. It's firm enough to push through packed pipe, yet flexible enough to glide past sweeps and offsets. Now the housing is where it really shines. The geometry is dialed in to reduce payout friction. You're not fighting the case every inch of the way. The multi-position handle gives you a rock-solid grip when you're cranking. In the slip-resistant design, it actually improves winding power. The laser-etched markings run in 1-foot increments. They let you measure conduit runs accurately, and you'll always know how much tape is left. If you've ever had a cheap fish tape kink into a tangled mess, you'll appreciate how the polypropylene case handles job site abuse. It's straightforward, it's durable, and it just works. Number 2. Graco Magnum Pro X17 Stand Paint Sprayer. Painting a whole room or a fence with a roller, it takes forever, and stopping to refill a tiny cup every few minutes, that's just frustrating. The Graco Magnum Pro X17 changes everything. It's a stand sprayer that gives you full control over paint flow. You can dial in the exact pressure you need, from a fine finish to a heavy coat. And the stainless steel piston pump, it sprays paint unthinned. No watering down, just pure, thick coverage that lays down beautifully. The best part? The flexible suction tube drops right into a 1 or 5 gallon bucket. You spray directly from the bucket. No constant refills, no wasted time. This machine is built for serious work, up to 300 gallons a year, and when the job's done, cleanup is painless. The power flush adapter connects to your garden hose and flushes the system fast. If you have big painting jobs ahead, this sprayer will save you hours, guaranteed. Number 3. Worksharp Ken Onion Knife Sharpener. Let's be honest, most sharpeners do more harm than good. They tear up your edge, leave a rough finish, and you end up with a blade that's barely better than when you started. This tool is completely different. It's designed by knife-making legend Ken Onion himself, built for edge enthusiasts who want precision and seriously keen results. The system uses flexible abrasive belts that actually hug the blade's curve. That means it creates a convex edge, which is sharper, stronger, and lasts way longer than a typical flat grind. You get total control too. Electronic speed adjustment lets you slow things down for delicate knives or speed up for quick touch-ups. In the precision angle guides, they take the guesswork out completely. Every single pass is consistent. Kitchen knives, hunting blades, pocket folders, it sharpens everything. If you think your knives are sharp now, this will completely change your standard. Number 4. Festool Fast Fix Depth Stop Chuck. Driving screws to the perfect depth every single time? Sounds like a dream, right? But with the Festool Fast Fix Depth Stop Chuck, it's reality. You set the depth once, then you forget it. No more constantly adjusting torque settings on your drill. No more cam out. No more stripped screw heads on expensive cabinet hardware. The internal clutch actually disengages the spindle the moment you hit your mark. Every screw sits exactly flush. It's lighter and way more compact than a dedicated drywall gun, so you get that same precision without the extra bulk. And because it uses the Fast Fix interface, it clicks onto your Festool drill in seconds. Getting it right the first time means no wasted materials, no ruined fasteners, and no lost time. If you build furniture or install hardware professionally, this little attachment saves you hours of frustration. It's precision made simple. Number 5. McBasil 3-in-1 Ratchet Drill Chuck Key Wrench. If you've ever used a drill press, you know the struggle. The standard chuck key is clunky, slow, and somehow always goes missing. This McBasil tool solves all of that in one smart design. It's actually 3 sizes in one. You get heads that fit tiny 1.5mm chucks all the way up to 16mm. That covers almost every bench drill and electric drill you own. The heads swap out in seconds thanks to a magnetic quick change system. Just align them and they snap right in. But here's the real magic. It's a ratcheting wrench handle. A forward and reverse switch lets you tighten or loosen with a simple swing. No more resetting your grip over and over. It dramatically cuts down wrist strain. The heads are carbon steel, the handle is impact resistant. This thing is built to last. Plus, you get 2 spare heads for each size. Everything stays organized. If you want smoother, faster chuck changes, this is the upgrade you didn't know you needed.
Number 6. Rhino USA Retractable Ratchet Straps. If you've ever tied down a motorcycle or a load of lumber, you know the chaos. Loose strap ends flapping in the wind, getting tangled, tripping you up. The Rhino retractable ratchet straps put an end to that frustration. These are 1 inch wide, 10 feet long, with a serious 1,200-pound brake strength. But the real game changer, instant self-retraction. Just press the button and all that excess strap vanishes cleanly into the housing. No more messy tails, no more wrestling with tangled webbing. The ratchet is electroplated zinc with a padded handle that stays comfortable even under heavy tension. The S-hooks are fully coated to protect your anchor points from scratches. You also get 4 soft loop tie-downs included, perfect for handlebars, roof racks, or truck bed anchors. Designed and tested in the USA to exceed safety standards, these straps make securing cargo fast, clean, and completely stress-free.
Number 7. Hodo 40-piece toolkit. Most home toolkits feel like an afterthought. Cheap tools crammed into a cluttered box. Hodo completely reimagines what a compact kit should be. At the heart is a smart electric screwdriver with 3 adjustable torque modes. It handles stubborn screws effortlessly, and the built-in LED ring lights up dark corners. The 2,000 milliamp battery keeps you going through long assembly sessions without hunting for a charger. The bit system is genuinely clever. You get 18 short bits and 4 long ones, all made from hardened S2 steel. A magnetic quick lock lets you swap bits instantly, and the flexible shaft plus extension rod reach around tight obstacles with ease. Everything else feels premium too. The non-slip grips, the self-locking tape measure, the shock-absorbing hammer, and the case? Compact, foam-lined with butterfly latches. Every piece has its exact spot. No more lost bits. Perfect for dorm rooms, apartments, or keeping in the car for unexpected fixes. It makes home repairs feel almost enjoyable.
Number 8. Keen-Wise 38-in-1 Ratchet Screwdriver. Some screws hide in impossible spots, deep inside an engine bay, behind a laptop hinge, or under furniture you can't move. The Keen-Wise 38-in-1 ratchet screwdriver is built exactly for those moments. The handle rotates a full 180 degrees with a simple button press. Combine that with the flexible shaft extension, and you can finally reach around corners without losing torque or control. The magnetic tip holds tiny screws in place. No more chasing a fallen screw across the floor. The grip is ergonomic and non-slip, so your hand stays comfortable even during long repairs. Inside, you'll find high-density alloy steel bits that resist wear and stripping. The whole kit comes in a tough ABS case. From phones and cameras to auto parts and furniture, this one tool handles it all. It's a smart gift for mechanics, DIYers, and anyone who fixes things around the house.
Number 9. Leor Bro Hand Drill Set. Sometimes a power drill is just too aggressive. For delicate work, tiny holes in resin, model making, or jewelry, you need absolute control. That's exactly what this hand drill gives you. It's a precision pin vise with a sturdy stainless steel body. The 3-jaw chuck holds microbits firmly and perfectly centered. The textured grip lets you rotate smoothly without your fingers slipping. You get 10 drill bits ranging from 0.8 to 3 millimeters, all organized in a marked case. But it's more than a drill. This kit also includes 100 jump rings, 100 screw-eye pins, and 10 keyring chains, plus a pair of fine-tip needle-nose pliers with a spring-loaded handle. You can make earrings, keychains, pendants, or Christmas ornaments right away. It's whisper quiet, zero kickback, and won't split your work. For crafters and tinkerers, this complete set turns small ideas into finished pieces. Number 10. Engraving pen with LED light. Ever tried engraving in a dim corner and your lines end up crooked? This cordless pen fixes that instantly. It has a built-in LED light right at the tip, so you see every detail clearly, even in low light. It's fully rechargeable via USB-C. You can charge from a power bank, laptop, or wall adapter. And it even works while plugged in, so your creativity never has to pause. The motor offers 3 speed settings from 15,000 to 25,000 RPM. One button switches between them. Go slow for glass, fast for metal, and medium for wood or plastic. Total control. Despite the power, it's light and ergonomic. The pen-like grip keeps your hand steady for detailed work without fatigue. You get 30 bits, stencils, and a marking pencil included. Everything you need to personalize gifts, etch glassware, or mark valuable tools right out of the box.